Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to look pretty and polished even without wearing any kind of makeup on your face. You can achieve this by very easy and simple steps and also look very natural without any makeup on your skin, yet look put together and polished. So if you want to know what all I do to achieve that, then please do continue watching. So I'm starting off with cleansed face and my favorite outfit. Putting on your favorite outfit can do a lot, so make sure to do that. Lately I have been obsessed with these Garnier under eye brightening masks. I love these under eye sheet masks. They are very nice and they really do help in brightening and hydrating your under eyes very well. So this is what I've been doing lately and I do see a bit of difference. So I let it sit there for about 15 minutes and just massage the serum that is there on the sheet on the under eyes after 15 minutes and remove it gently. And whatever serum is left, I just massage using my fingers on the under eyes as well as on top of my eyelids as well. Once that is completely soaked in, I do a bit of masking. This is like a peel off mask from Pixi skin treats. So this is supposed to give you oil free, pore free skin. So I use this only on the T-zone. So I'm applying that right on top of the nose where I have most amount of oil secretion, as well as on the inner cheek area where I can see a lot of pores, and also on my forehead and a little bit on my chin. So basically applying that on the T-zone wherever I oil up too much, and this is just going to combat any oil throughout the day because we are not going to wear any sort of makeup, so this is going to help. While the mask is drying on my face, I'm going to use a bit of lip scrub. This is from Sugar Cosmetics and I love this stuff, I must say. It smells so delicious and it gives instant result. So I take a generous amount of the lip scrub, which is very mild by the way. So I just scrub my lips using my fingers, and once I'm happy with the scrubbing, I would just remove that product using some cotton pad. And here you can see how nice and rosy my lips look, and they feel very soft after the lip scrub. So I love this. And after that, I would just go ahead and peel off the mask that was sitting on my face once it is completely dry. Since we are not wearing makeup, skincare is gonna do the job here for this particular look. So make sure you use the right kind of skincare products according to the skin concern. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a bit of face shaving. I'm spraying this rose water spray from the drugstore company, and then I use my face razor in gentle short strokes. I'm just removing the peach fuzz off of my face because removing the hair itself can make a huge difference. It's just going to create that very smooth and soft looking skin. But do it gently, and if you have active acne on your skin, make sure to avoid it because this is not going to be a good option for acne prone skin. But yeah, this is what I do on my skin personally. I also groom my eyebrows in the same step using the same razor because grooming your eyebrows can do a lot of difference to your face. So make sure to do that. As you guys all know, eyebrows frame your face, so keeping the eyebrows in a good shape and trimming them properly is going to make a world of a difference. After that, I'm going to take this Skin Glow Serum from Happy Herbs. This is a very light serum, yet it provides the right kind of glow as well. So I'm just applying that all over my face. and this is kind of like an oil, but it doesn't oil up my skin, which is amazing, especially if you have oily skin, and it feels very, very mild on the skin. And this is supposed to be very nice if you're not wearing any makeup also. So I love this stuff when I'm really not wearing any makeup on my skin. This adds a bit of subtle glow to the skin on its own. On top of that, I'm using this amazing affordable moisturizer from Pond's. This is their super light gel moisturizer, which has hyaluronic acid. So I'm just applying a generous amount of the moisturizer. Never skip your moisturizer, it is a must. So I'm just massaging that all over my skin in upward strokes, and since it has that hyaluronic acid, it also boosts moisture and glow onto the skin. I'm also going to tap a little bit on the high points of my cheeks. This is just going to add as a subtle natural highlighter sort of a thing. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Then I'm taking my L'Oreal Anti-Oxy Hydra Fresh under eye gel. This is also like a very plumping product for your under eyes, so I'm applying that on the under eyes. I love to take care of my under eyes, so that's what I'm doing here as well. If you're doing this during the daytime, make sure to put on your sunscreen as well. Again, I'm going to take a spoolie and spray some hairspray. You could also use a setting spray, a makeup setting spray, and just combing my eyebrows through and just making them super neat and put together. This also makes a huge difference. When your eyebrows are well groomed, your entire face looks fresh and youthful. I'm also taking my Color Bar eyelash curler and giving my lashes a good curl on both the eyes. Also, curling your eyelashes make a huge difference, and here you can see the difference between the curled and the uncurled side. It just makes your eyes pop more. Your eyes look beautiful basically. You can do this whenever you're not wearing makeup. It really does make a huge difference in your eyes. Final step is to add a bit of lip balm. This is the Maybelline Baby Lips Lip Balm, which has a very mild peachy pink tint to it. So I love this whenever I'm not wearing any makeup. Since I have pigmented lips, this kind of adds that fresh soft tint to the lips. So I'm just adding that, and also it adds a nice sheen to the lips. Then what I do is I put on my favorite jewelry. Jewelry can do a lot of impact in your looks. So make sure to put on a nice jewelry, and also make sure you keep your hair very neat and combed out and put together, because hair also makes a huge difference the way you look. So this is what I do whenever I'm not wearing makeup and I want to look pretty and polished without wearing any sort of makeup on the skin. It is totally fine if you have any pimples or pigmentation on your skin. It is very normal, you guys. You really don't have to worry about it. Just flaunt your skin the way it is and feel super confident on how your skin looks naturally. There is nothing to be ashamed of. I really hope that this video helped you. Be confident and love yourself. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and found it useful and helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notified each time I upload a new video on my channel. Take care of yourself, stay home and stay safe, and I shall see you guys soon in my next one. Bye!